Students, this is lesson 3 from your computer studies textbook, and the name of the chapter is Tools of Word Processor. Now, word processor is a word processing software which allows us to prepare documents, and those documents we can modify them, edit them and save them in our hard disk. Later on we can take out the printout as well from the printer. In this chapter, tools of word processor means the options, the features which are available in this particular software. We are going to study about them. Let's see what's written in the textbook. Editing a document. Editing means making changes in the text contained in a file. Everyone needs to edit a Word file at some point of time. Editing a Word file is one of the most basic operations. Now, editing means making some kind of changes in the text which is there in the document. Text means the data which is there in the document. Now, editing a file covers these basic tasks: adding a new text, deleting a part of the text, copying a text, moving a text, or pasting a text. Let's see how you're going to add new text. Now, if you want to add new text at the end of a file, simply place the cursor at the end part and start typing from the keyboard. For adding text in between a document, place the cursor to the required portion and start typing. Wherever you want to add a text, you just have to place the cursor to that position, and when the cursor is there at that particular place, you can start typing from the keyboard. The text will be added to your document. What if you want to delete a part of file? If you wish to delete some parts from end of the file, take the cursor to the end point and keep pressing backspace key till the text is cleared. You can also select the part you want to clear by left clicking on the text and dragging the mouse along. After the part has been selected, simply click backspace key and the text gets deleted. Now, if you want to delete a part, what you have to do, you have to bring the mouse pointer to that position and press the backspace key. If you have a sentence or a paragraph to be removed or deleted, you have to first select that portion of the text and then you have to press the backspace key. Now, how will you copy a text? If you want to copy a text, the entire Word file, simply select the whole file or use keyboard shortcut, that is Ctrl+A, and then right click to the selected copy option. You can also use keyboard shortcut which is Ctrl+C. Doing so will copy the entire text. If you want to copy selected text, you need to select the part of the text initially by left clicking and dragging the mouse and then follow the same procedure. Now, to copy the text, first you have to select the text. If you want to select the entire text of the document, then you have to use the shortcut key, that is Ctrl+A. This will select your entire text. Now, to copy that particular text, you have to use another shortcut key which is Ctrl+C. With the help of this, you will copy the text which you have selected. Now, if you want to move the selected text, how you can do it? If you want to move some text from one part of the document to another, simply select the part, right click upon the selected part and choose cut option. After selecting that particular portion or part of the text, you have to right click and select the cut option. Move to the desired location where you want to move the cut portion of the text. Place the cursor at the desired place, right click the mouse and select option or use Ctrl+V. The text block moves from one part to another. After right clicking upon the selected part and choosing the cut option, you have to move the mouse cursor to the place where you want to paste the cut text. After moving to the desired place, you have to right click again and select the paste option, or else you can use the shortcut key which is Ctrl+V. As soon as you press the shortcut key or click on the paste option, your text will be removed from that place and will be pasted at the new location. Pasting a text. Pasting a text is also simple, as the copied content simply need to be put in the desired place by right clicking and using paste option, keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V also does the same. Now how will you paste that particular text which you have copied or which you have cut from a particular place? You can use it by pressing the shortcut key from the keyboard, which is Ctrl+V, or by right clicking anywhere on the document. A drop down menu will appear and then you can click on the paste option. Now the next topic is aligning text. Let's read from the book. Microsoft Word provides 4 different ways for aligning text in paragraphs: left alignment, right alignment, center alignment, and justified. Now there are 4 types of alignment which Microsoft Word offers the users, which is the left alignment, right alignment, center alignment, and justified. Now let us see what all these 4 types of alignments are. Now right alignment, if we use this particular feature in Microsoft Word, the text which is there in the document will be towards the right side. Means if we select the text and use the right alignment option, all the text which is there in the document will be shifted towards the right side. If we use the left alignment, it will be shifted towards the left side. If we use the center alignment option, the text which is there in the document will be visible only at the center. But the last one, which is the justified, if we use this particular alignment, the text in the document will be equally distributed towards the margins. These are the 4 types of alignments which we can use. Let us see how we are going to use it. We have to click on the home tab on the ribbon. This is the home tab which is available above the ribbon. This is the ribbon. Click align text right button in the paragraph group. As soon as you click on the right alignment button in the paragraph group, the selected text will be shifted towards the right. Now the next topic is undo, redo, or repeat an action. Now what is the meaning of the word undo in Microsoft Word? It removes the last action which has been done in the software. What is the meaning of the redo option here in Microsoft Word? It repeats the last action which has been performed. Undo removes the action, redo repeats the action. Now let us see how we can do it. Undo the last action or action that you made. To undo an action, do one of the following. Click undo on the quick access toolbar. This is the quick access toolbar. If any task or any text which you have written and you realize that you have written it by mistake, then you can click the undo option, and with the help of this option that particular word will be removed. Or any particular action which you have done in the software and you want to remove that particular action, it will be removed with the help of this particular feature, which is undo. What if you want to redo a particular action? To redo an action that you undid, click redo on the quick access toolbar. Now if you want to redo a particular action, you can easily do that by clicking on the redo button in the quick access toolbar. To repeat the last action, by default the repeat command is available on the quick access toolbar after you do some action in Word. If you cannot repeat the last action, the repeat command changes to can't repeat. To repeat the last action, click repeat on the quick access toolbar. Now this is the repeat button, and once you click on this button, the last action will be repeated in the document. Now the next topic is formatting. Formatting means to change the appearance of the document to make it more attractive and readable. Formatting includes the following things: changing font, changing size of fonts, changing font color, highlighting word and sentences, adjusting line spacing, and there are many more here as well in the next page. Adjusting tab settings, setting margins, paragraph settings, adding bullets and number. Now before we move further and discuss all of these, I want you to know that this is known as the font group. This is known as the font group. Any kind of changes in the font that we are going to do in the document will be done through the font group. Now let us see what are the formatting styles in Microsoft Word. In Microsoft Word, you have many options for adjusting the font of your text, including size and color, and inserting special symbols. You can also adjust the alignment of the text to change how it is displayed on the page. Now, how to change the font size in your document, how you can do it? Let us read from the textbook.